Why do you seem so excited?
I'm not.
Why'd you come?
Because I gotta get over my fear.
I do have a back sack if you need to throw something in there.
My keys. Is that cool?
No, anything else?
You know how in Monsters Inc. they like put screams in those canisters and they use them to power like the city? I'm convinced that the meat puts people's farts in canisters and they use it to power our city.
I always thought it'd be cool if that place was just a big body burning place that they said med chamber, but instead they just burn bodies.
So like Jews or just anybody?
Whoa!
Jews
Whoa!
You said that?
Wowzers!
You think mine was bad? He just said Jews aren't people.
Well, that's true, but I mean what you said. You know how to work that thing?
I don't know. I think I put it on my head, right?
Yeah, you probably have to put your ponytail real low. See? You got cocky. You thought it was simple. You just put it on your head.
Maybe.
Turns out, ponytail has to be readjusted and
It's not
everything.
that high. Yeah, but it'll just like...
I mean, if you think it'll fit.
I don't have a whole lot of hair. Really. I mean, it's long, but it's like really thin. I think it'll push down.
She's gonna go to put that on and it's gonna feel like there's a hamster stuffed in between the helmet and her head.
I think it'll be alright.
Even if it does hurt now, she'll never let you know.
Oh no.
I'll admit I'm wrong.
Blood's coming out of the helmet. It's fine.
What? Guys, I think I'm dying.
But it's not from that like thing with the ponytail.
It's not from the helmet though. I promise.
It was just
It's not
really
that
bad one.
It'll be fine. Let's go. Let's do this.
I always forget how good this thing sounds. Where are we going?
He doesn't value my life.
I don't know, where do you want to go?
First wheelie in months. See how this goes?
Wheelie practice behind steer?
I just did my first one in months. I didn't die, so
Yeah.
technically went pretty well. You gotta rev in a tunnel. I mean, it's pretty much the law. Yeah. Yeah, I tried to warn you, but still almost hit you.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can wreck and stuff. This guy's driving a Mercedes, probably owns the building. Calling the cops right now. At least our bikes are super quiet, so no one will know we're back here. Nope. Still stuck. Sick. That one was awesome. Stop it a wheelie?
Yeah.
Dude, sick. First try. First try, no warm up?
First try, no warm up.
It just said thanks, so at least it sounds like the guy was being nice no matter what he said.
He was nice.
What'd he say?
Can't be doing it back here.
So you did one behind him?
Yeah.
Just to disrespect the nice guy?
Oh, he told me he likes it. He said, he's like, I don't care if you guys do it back here, but you might want to pick a different day. He said there's too much traffic with that shit, and then just regular maintenance.
Sick. Alright. Nice people are cool.
Now what?
Oh, I think you know. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know.
God, I hate this. Can I glue this down there?
But yeah, I'd wrap a piece of black tape around it if you're like super worried about it.
Or like a
Zip tie too, yeah. Or you can let it do this. I like.
Yeah, good.
Is that helmet comfortable? I feel like you have it up like really high.
No.
I guess what I'm saying is like the goggles generally, like that hoop rests right on the crest of your nose like AJ's is.
I have a tiny head.
Okay. Me too. But
I don't know what else. It won't
no, you're
go
fine. Like as long as it feels fine, it's fine.
Yeah, it won't go anywhere.
Okay.
It's just like chill.
I'm just making sure.
Where we going?
I don't know. Somewhere. Well, I thought this road would be dry and it's actually really fucking wet. Well, let's drive here. Might give these guys a little bell action.
Feeling raindrop?
Yep.
Sick. I can see him.
Yeah. Your goggles are probably super fucking smeary now, huh?
Mine are already disgusting.
Yeah. Double tunnel, double res. We are the biggest douchebags we know.
Yeah. If that's somebody else would make fun of them.
Oh yeah, if I seen someone else do that, I'd be like, what a freaking douchebag. Like, seriously? Grow up. But I'm gonna do it. I'm the only one allowed to do it. And you, if you're with me. But if you're not with me, I'm gonna call you a douchebag too.
With your neon jacket.
Yeah.
GoPro.
Neon jacket, 2 GoPros, douchebag. I'm everything I make fun of.
Go out over the mead and then on that one wheelie road.
The wheelie road.
It's called the Wheelie Road.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's the wheelie road. What else are you gonna call it?
It's like
Okay.
almost 2:30, so then and it's gonna sprinkle. We'll just go home.
Is it almost 2:30?
2:21.
I'm glad, because I'm going off of my clock.
This is right.
I don't know.
Me neither.
Has anyone been on their phone lately?
No.
We should, like, check that stuff, because I was like, damn, it's only 1:16.
Right.
1:20.
Sick! I'm right and you're wrong.
2 o'clock, all fucking ready to go.
Perfect.
Do you have to work?
Yeah. I may try a wheelie or two. And you'll think I died once he turns around and I'm not there. Shitty. Shitty. A little better.
Now what?
Let's go like straight and then like past the mead and then like on water or something.
Water. Main Street?
Paint. That's the street, I mean.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Making noise is fun. Bell this guy? Thought he might have a bell of his own. Big old smokestack, freshly painted like a candy cane. Smells like farts. Isn't it funny that the candy cane smokestack looks like a sweet treat but smells like farts? Alright, I'm ramping this fucking snow pile. I'm just kidding, that's real stupid. And here you have it, Chillicothe in all its glory.
Fart inside your farts. A farty farts.
How old are we?
Yeah, farty farts. And I can fart inside your farty farts, cause I'm a farty.
He's not going to wear his helmet when he does this wheelie next to this cliff. That's stupid. It's really funny.
You wanna do it on camera now?
I already got it.
Yeah, not you so much though.
Yeah, you can leave.
Do you know you have a turd streak up your back?
You have a turd streak.
No, it's not even mud. Like, I think you pooped.
You know how when babies poop, sometimes it goes up their back?
Yeah, because I babysat.
Like a little beaver tail. It gets all flat and stuck together.
That's disgusting. I did not need that.
You're telling me I'm not the one shitting my pants up my back.
I mean, but you are. But you do. But you do. But you do.
I think they'll sell me that smokestack.
He says torture. You hate it that much?
No, my hair.
Oh, cut it off. You don't have to have it. It's not a law.
Legally the law. Do you
It's probably
hear
legally the
yourself?
law.
Do you
Yeah,
hear
whoever
yourself?
came up with that statement's a fucking idiot.
Do you hear yourself? Fucking ever?
Stole it from him.
And you said it. Of course you fucking did. Alright, how do I do this?
You're doing good so far.
Okay, but do I gotta go
No, go all the way through.
backwards?
Take it all the way through. All right, now bring it back around just in between the
Just
two.
like these.
Yes. Yeah.
Like
Yep,
that?
now bring it back and use that little red button to
Yeah.
pop into the other button.
Like that there, boys?
Yeah, you got it. Took AJ 6 years to figure that out. Alright, we're gonna go meet some people for some lunch at AJ's favorite restaurant that he eats at least 3 times a week. It's kind of funny that we're not like professional stunt riders or anything cool really, but yet this entire ride is being filmed by a GoPro on me, fake GoPro on the bike, a GoPro on AJ's helmet, and currently she's filming with her cell phone. So if we were cool, or we were doing something exciting, definitely have it on film. Are you getting some sick footage?
Time lapse.
Time lapse. Ah! Oh! I wish I was now.
I think you conquered your fear, because I'd be like holding on for dear life in your moto vlogging. AJ's man. Bill?
You see me kick that ball?
Oh, I've seen.
What?
Chapstick. Who needs it? Who needs it?
How long till that state trooper pulled me over?
Justin Merrill.
Did he honk at us?
Oh, nothing! Oh, nothing! Oh, nothing! Oh, nothing! No. Well, did he honk at us?
Yeah, who honked?
Justin Merrill.
I don't know who the first
I don't
person
know
was,
the
but
first
just
guy.
now it's nothing.
They're either in love or he's got her in the headlock, one of the two. Or it could be. AJ says, how long until that Stady pulls me over? And then he goes 50 in a 40 on a bike with no headlight and not working turn signals. Building a new dealership, car dealership, because that's what Chillicothe needed. There's already like one dealership to every 2 people in this town, so I'm definitely glad to see they're building another one.
I just wanted to put a lot of room between me and that trooper, because he was definitely looking at me when he passed me.
Yeah. It'd be sick if he was like, hey, other trooper that's up the road, there's going to be a black motorcycle. And he's like, yep, just pass me a 55 and a 40. I'll get him.
Gosh, look at him.
Every state highway patrol has like a redneck voice like that.
Yeah, I get it, bud. I'm gonna get it for you.
How many times a week do you eat here, AJ?
Enough. He loves cold chicken. He doesn't even eat it when he comes here. He waits until it gets cold. Like real life, that's really what he does. He'll eat the salad, and then he takes the chicken home, puts it in the refrigerator. A couple hours later, he gets it out, and he eats it cold.
I like it, bud.
A fucking alien, if that's what you're wondering. You gonna leave the GoPro out here?
That's smart as fuck.
Leave it. Hey, we're just saying you're dumb. I mean, you can leave it though. I'm gonna leave this cheap one out here.
It's 3 a.m. I must be horny.
I truly want to. Oh, I know. No, I know. I love that my